Hello guys, we're back from our videos. Today we playing again. So with Boba T Tower, Boba Tower. So we're gonna play. So we're going to get 20%. So I don't know. So anyways guys. I only got budget wire. So anyways guys, if you wanna see what the videos on the channel, we should gonna choose. Like sure to like and subscribe. So I need to choose it. I need to go there. What's that? Oh, I should go there. Okay. Wait, yeah, what's that? Wait, let's go there. It could be easy. How about let's choose? How about let's cheat? Okay. No, not. Okay. Also, guys, it's so easy. So please subscribe to my other channel, please. So I need to beat this game. I know how to beat this game. Hey noob. Oh. Haha. Oh wait, I should use this. No. 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 No, guys. Wait, I only got my balloon. My balloon pop. Wait, also guys, why does the balloon pop? It's supposed to be Christmas. Christmas is over. Okay. I guess guys. So anyways guys, I have a question. This could be the Christmas, I think. Do you like Christmas? Yes it is. Bro, how? How is impossible? Okay, we're back on Christmas. We're back on Christmas tree guys. So anyways guys, I like Christmas, so I beat this game. I accidentally beat this game guys for a while. So anyways, why they keep on chatting? Oh wait, this is snowflake. Wait, I need to choose it. Oh, I choose this. Okay. Wow. Wow, it's easy. Easy. Easy game. No! Damn it, I hate this. It will take an hour. Bro. Why is it keep on harding? But bro, it's super high. Wait, also guys, so anyways guys, subscribe to my channel. Also, I wanted to beat Bobas. I need to beat Bobas, I guess. Wait, what's that? What's that? Stop balloons. Boom, boom, beating, boom, boom, boom. No. Ah, wait. Goodbye, balloon. No! No, I fall! No, it was a mistake, guys. Stop. Stop chatting. Are you chatting? Are you a kidder? Are you kidding? Are you kidding me, guys? What the heck? What a Sigma? Bro, don't fall, okay? If I damn it! Bro, why always keep falling? Wait, hold on. Bro, it will take an hour. It will take a minute in an hour. Bro, stop falling, okay? Stop falling. Yes! We need to beat this. We need to beat this game. This could be the purple brick I ever seen. To beat this. Wow, another. Wait, I should just beat this game. Wait, hold on. Oh, this is Squid Game. Ooh. Whoop. Oof. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Ah, you can't die. You can't die me, Adrian. You can't die me. Oh, let's choose purple. Is it? Oh wait, is it? Oh wow, amazing. Easy, easy obby. Oh, oh, goodbye balloon. Oh, wow, guys, this the technique in the world. This is not this. Are you easy? What the heck? No, why always falling? I'm not falling. Okay, this is the most easiest game ever. This could be the easiest game. Why? No. It won't take an hour. Don't die. Don't die. Don't. No. Do not fall, okay? Do not fall. If I fall, then I'm going to just give up. Oh. Oh. Lamale. Ah. it caused damage. Oh, stop. Oh, guys, it caused damage, I guess. So, here is the chocolate bar. They kinda looks like Minecraft. Let's go there. What's that? Veronica? Oh. Wow! Amazing cat technique. Stop chatting. Stop chatting. Yes! Dream shake! I wanted to drink it. Can I drink it? Oh, very good. Guys, this is a dream shake that I just drink. I just drink a dream shake, I guess. What's that? Is that building? Stop! Why did I lagging? Bro, why always lagging? Where? 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 What? Where? Wait. Wait, did I just beat the game? Wait. Not fair. Bro, not fair. Why? How can I get past this? Oh my god. Not fair. Wait, let's do like this. Not fair. Wait. Is it cheating? Bro. Who got cheating? Why always like this? I wanted to beat Bobas. Bro. Bro, reset. I can't reset. Bro, I can't reset. Oh, I can reset. Bro, how can I beat this? It's impossible. Next I'm going to go there. It's not easy. It's not hard, it's easy. Watch this. With my technique. Oh, like this. And like this. Easy. I made ever. Wait. No! No. No, I actually did fall. No. I accidentally fall. You said lol. Bro, no. I'm lagging. I'm lagging. I am also lagging. It's so hard. That's it, I'm going to. If you keep doing this. Bro, why is it lagging? Bro, what's wrong with this game? This game is so weird. Oh, oh damn it. I hate this game. This game is so weird. Why? Keep reset. Bro, why always resetting me? Is it lagging? Wait, let's choose this. White. Let's choose white. Let's choose white. Okay, let's go. Why? You're so annoying. How many wins? And now I got 0. Where is mine? Where's me? Where's me? I got this. I got I got this. Okay, I need to get the easy. Easy obby. I don't care. Wait, he doing it. Bro, stop doing that. Oh my god, that's it. I'm going to. Bro, bro, I can't reset. I can't reset. This is the hardest game. This is the hardest game, guys. Okay, don't fall. Last chance to fall. Do not die. Do not fall, okay? Do not fall. Do not fall. Yes. Bing, 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 bing. Bing, 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 bing. Oh, wow. Wait, hold on. It's hard. Wait, this. Bro! Bro, don't troll me. They troll me. Bro, why they troll me? Bro, this is the hardest game. Don't troll me. Nah, I'm going to juke her. What is wrong with this game? Why always troll me? Why they obsessed troll me? Okay. Do not fall. Bro, why is it? Bro, why is it rude? No! No, I didn't fall. I didn't fall. Why? La, what country is this? Rude. Okay, okay, shut. Lol. Lol. Lol, I hate this game. Bro, why they have... Bro, I cannot beat this boba. How can I beat this boba, guys? Let's try boba, okay? Bro, why does everyone just rude to me? I hate this game. I hate this guy. I hate this. Bro, what the strawberry thing? Okay. Okay, strawberry milk tower. Strawberry tower. I wanted to beat tower. Bro. Us. Bro. Come on. Let me. Let me. Bro, how can I put? How can I? Bro, welcome to. Okay. Bro.
Pinoy ba?
Hala. No.
Chicken mo.
Stuck ako. I'm stuck.
Basta kayo
I'm
na
stuck.
yan ang iinot.
I'm stuck.
Ano ka lang kasi doon sila?
Oh no.
Mga kilala ang pilido.
Bro. Bro, stop.
Ayaw ba di mga kadak lang kaya sa Pinoy. So, hindi ka pa magiling sa dapat nilaan. Mas nagilan ko mga. So, nasa laylayan mga kan dakul.
Bro, why am lagging? Bro, stop trolling me.
Bung rebellion.
Bro, what is wrong with this game? Bro, why am lagging?
So, kadakil na dapat ipalit ang mga
Okay,
sumarayan.
okay, okay. What's that? Okay. What's that? VIP? I don't know.
Mag-iusip
Let's
man.
go. Let's go there. What?
Yun mo ta
What? You are
tap na
lagging?
sirpa.
Why? Oh, I wanted to beat this. Wow.
Oh, inak man.
Let's go into beat this game.
Siguro,
Let's
parang
beat this.
puruan sila ng abogado niya, no?
Let's beat this. Let's go chicken
Inak man, ha?
now.
Hmm.
Let's go. Let's go.
Lupod lamang.
No!
Naman mo ganyan.
No!
Kita Justin.
This game is so annoying. I hate this game. This game is so annoying. Insane game. Damn it. Oh.
Alam taon man.
Bro, I need to not just I don't know. I don't know. What talk about this? Okay, let's go. Let's go. I'm not falling. Oh. Okay. I need to beat Bobas. What chat now? Oh. Yes. Yes. I'm at the stage. Okay, let's go. Do not fall. Damn it.
May bibing, may
Damn it.
naman soto.
Bro.
Soto na
Bro,
ito,
guys.
ha?
Bro, guys. What happened? Why did I fall?
Yan lang, mahal.
What?
Ha?
Let's do like this. What happened?
Pati ang cake.
What happened? The game. Fix this thing. Okay.
Kung tusin
Roblox. I like Roblox.
Grabe sa Senado.
Oh, mama. Oh. Oh. Yes. Yes, I beat this. I wanna beat this. Ooh. Roblox. What the?
Mga di business sa
Oh, dude.
ano,
Stop. I'm going to.
illegal.
Stop. Stop it! No! I'm insane Roblox. That's it. Bro, what is wrong with this game? Bro, how can I beat the tower? How can I beat the tower? Bro, how can I beat the tower again? Bro, how can I beat this game? How can I beat this? What about this, okay? This could be the easy mode, I guess. I need to now get the easy, I guess. Okay, heart pink tower.
Ano?
Bro, bro. Are you still a girl? I'm not a girl no. Stop. Oh, wait. I should do like this. I'm pro. Please. Please stop like this. And now I'm going to beat this game. Now I'm going to beat this game. Okay. Okay. You will get damage. You will get damage if you want. Okay, let's go to beat it. We're gonna beat this game. We're gonna beat this game. No! No.
So, kikita nyo.
Ah, you're so annoying. Look. Guys, look at her. She's so lazy. Haha, noob. Noob. Stinky. Stinky girl. Run. Run away, run away, run away. Like this, run away, run away. She will left. Okay. Ding, 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 ding. Ooh. Oh. Ding, ding, ding. Wang, 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 wang. Ding, 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 ding. What the frick? Oh, what? No, do like this. Wait, hold on. Wait. Oh, okay. This. Damn it, I'm so obsessed with this. Bro, it's hard. Okay, the game was so nice. This game was so nice, but I didn't fall. Didn't even fall. But I can reach. Okay, what's that? Moving heart, huh? Which one? This one. Which one? This one. Yo, it's easy. Yes, we did beat it. We gotta beat it. What? Did I beat this? Wait, it will take an hour. Wait. It's so easy. Guys, look at this. It's so easy. Okay, let's go Bobby. Wow. Oh my god, what is so easy? I'm going to beat her. No. Wait, hold on. Damn it, I hate this. I can't. I'm going to leave. Okay, that is the end of the video, guys. So, anyways, guys, so please subscribe to my channel. So, goodbye, guys.